Cancel Spotify premium subscription. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to cancel your Spotify premium subscription. Like these kinds of videos, we've got more related content on the channel. Subscribe, hit like. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright folks, let's get started. I'll open Spotify now. It depends on how you subscribed, via Spotify or Google Pay. I'll click on the profile picture here. Now I'll click on Settings and Privacy. And I'll click on the first option, Account. Here's the individual premium plan, billing, and available plans. I'll click on Billing to see details. It's managed by Google Play in this case, so it's charging $31.90 here. To cancel via Google Play, I need to go to Subscriptions. So I'll go to Subscriptions to cancel Spotify Premium. I'm opening the Play Store now. I'll click here on the profile picture. Here you'll find payments and subscriptions, folks. I'll click on Subscriptions. My subscriptions will appear here. I have Google Home with 2 terabytes here. And Spotify. I'll click on Spotify. It shows the next charge, August 16th. I'll click Cancel Subscription below. Here I'll say why I'm canceling. Then I'll click Continue below. It warns the subscription will be cancelled. In this case, on August 16th. There won't be any more charges. I'll click Cancel Subscription here. Done. Spotify Premium subscription cancelled. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.